Oliver Sloup is with us. He's with Blue Line Futures. He's in Chicago. Crazy markets in advance of a big major USDA report coming out tomorrow. Didn't quite see that much volatility in the cards for a report eve, as I refer to it. So things are going to get a little wacky this week, the way it looks.
Yeah, well, 'tis the season for big gaps up or big gaps lower coming back from a weekend. That's usually when you get a lot of changes in the forecast, and we're seeing that reflected in price action here to start the week. We got the big move higher, but money flow starting to kick in since the floor opened. I think you're seeing funds use that as a selling opportunity, and if you look back over the last couple of weeks, you can see that long liquidation has been the trend as of late. Funds cut about 56,000 contracts of corn last week. That was about 30,000 long liquidation and about 26,000 of new shorts. So we got the higher price action getting sold into with more participation on that floor open. It'll be interesting to see what tomorrow's WSDA report shows, but I think the market's going to move quickly past that, and we'll be back to trading weather in no time. But I think really dominantly here is going to be money flow going forward. And you had mentioned down in Kentucky some issues. I just got to take everything with an extra grain of salt this time of year. You know, the news out there is a lot like a Yelp review, and a lot of times bad news travels a heck of a lot faster than good news.
What do you hear from clients in the Dakotas these days? I mean, we had heard so much talk about disappearing acres. What's going on now?
Yeah, all in all, looking at the country as a whole, I think we're in halfway decent shape. Obviously, there's some problem areas, but that goes with just about every other year out there. It's the story of the have and have-nots, but I think if you look at what the anticipations were coming into the growing season and what we're working with right now, things are halfway decent, and I think the money flow is certainly reflecting that. And obviously, you've got the inflation trade that might be unwinding as well. So you've got a whole big tug-of-war match between a lot of different fundamental catalysts going on right now.